Salam everyone! In today's video, I'm showing you how to make a Qalam of your own at home. Let's start! So here we are going to select which Qalam is preferred to use. The one having a big hole in between and should be straight. We cannot use this as it is not an appropriate one. The thing you have to do is to take a sharp cutter and push the cutter gently with your thumb. Here I'm trying to balance both sides of the Qalam to make them as equal as possible. If you have a straight bamboo stick, just cut it off diagonally and do the same steps. Now turn over your Qalam and cut it down. The reason is that the Qalam from the back side is round, but we want it to be straight. Now I'm cutting the top of stick because we want its tip to be straight and thin to give our calligraphy nice sharp edges. Giving it the final touches now. You can see how fine and thin it is. It totally depends on you how thin you want your Qalam to be. I like my Qalam to be the thinnest to have a sharp and beautiful calligraphy. I'm just loving how it has turned out. It's time to cut the tip diagonally. Put the cutter on 75 degrees. Sharp edge, so using a hammer and the tip just come off. How fine and neat it is looking. But if you want it to be smoother, use a nail filer, just rub over it. And here you go. Let's test it. I will draw some random shapes to test. You can see it's really sharp. I hope you all will try it. And if you do, don't forget to leave a review. If you don't have a bamboo Qalam, you can use a simple ice cream or wooden stick to make your own Qalam. Cut down its sides to get a tip-like shape. Peel it from upside down to make your tip as thin as you want it to be. Again, cut the tip at 75 degrees. You can see it's very sharp. Give them a try and share your reviews.